So my hair feels super soft. Even my little midsection right there feels soft. Now that I'm combing through, like these little things sticking up right here, I know we're not supposed to be there. And you can see like the line of where they change. Go ahead and chop those. I think I got most of them, but we'll see. So I'm gonna section off my hair. These clips don't really do that much because I ain't got that much hair, but it's all good. We work with what we got. But see, it didn't take much for me to do all of that. Like the detangle is real in these products. I don't know whether to start with the front or the back. See a little strand hanging out. Yo, this brush is coming through for these ends. All right, so in my hair, I told you about basically the whole Design Essentials line, but this is their avocado curl enhancing mousse. So I'm gonna take this and I am going to take their avocado curl enhancing cream. I'm gonna combine those two together. I'm trying to learn how to work these. So I'm just gonna take this curl custard. It's kind of like what you wrap your hair with when you get in a perm. It's exactly what this reminds me of. Definitely give some definition. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this curl cream. They both smell so good, Jesus. It's like you want to eat it. And I'm gonna apply that on here. I guess I'm gonna shingle a little bit. Coil that. This is what it looks like. I think I'm liking. Ooh, look at that definition in them curls. Damn. Okay, you guys, I'm excited. My hair just really hasn't been one consistency like probably since I was born. So I might be a little more excited than I need to be right now. Also, what I'm gonna do is look at the end of these little coils. Whatever got straight hair at the end, I'm just gonna cut that off. Get rid of all of that. I'm gonna get into this naturalness. So, can't really see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna repeat that process and I'll be back. All right, so we are down to the nitty gritty, y'all. So not so bad. Let's say I'm pretty satisfied with these products. For my first time. But when doing my hair before, it's crazy that I didn't know that it needed water. That's probably like the craziest thing to me. Ooh, I'm so glad to be done. Definitely quicker than trying to do like a rod set maybe, but still not fast enough. And then I only have hair like at the top of my head. Like, I entertained today, like growing out my hair, but having to do this all over my head, I don't know if I'm there yet. I gotta get this down to a science, then maybe that's something I can consider. There's definitely gonna be some little edges left on this one, but all good. Hit them with the scissors after they curl up. That's just kind of been what's been working. The final 3, yes. Like it took forever to get here, but we made it. Alright, so these little edges over here, these little side situations, we need to make something happen with those. So I also have a honey edge tamer, so I'm going to take that and hit these edges, but I'm going to spray some water because it has been out here dry. Okay, it might be time to cut those little sides. Hit up these edges. Okay guys, so this is my finished look with my finger coils and cutting off the rest of my perm. I'm gonna let this air dry overnight. I'm gonna fluff it out in the morning and I'm gonna show you like my finished product. So it still wasn't fully dry, so I decided to hit it with a diffuser so that I could continue with styling the next morning. I did a little diffusing. I slept on this overnight. Now I'm just gonna take some little argan oil from the sheet. I'm gonna kind of start like adjusting. Actually, I'm just gonna rub it all over my hands. So I actually don't think I'm gonna pull them all apart. Mind you guys, this is my first time, so it's not going to be perfect. And then for these little ends that appear to be fuzzy, what am I gonna put at the end of them? I guess I can always take some curling cream and apply them to my little ends. The rest of them I'm just gonna pull up and out, and then where's my little picky pick? I ain't got no pick. Found it. I'll take it, lift the roots a little bit. I feel like for my first time, it's cool. Really now all I gotta do is go and lay these edges, and also my sides have grown out tremendously. Trim them down up to speed. But I do like that I didn't get any flakes from all the products that I use. Everything looks good. It don't look too dry. Like, I don't know, I can't complain for this being my first time. Alright guys, so I am back. This is the finished look. Go ahead and give it a little spin. This is what I'm working with. It's not bad for the first time. Gave it a little beat, but honestly I think what I'm gonna do, like, first of all, this little scarf right here is bae. Bought it at the beauty supply, like the best $3 I've ever spent. Basically don't leave home without it. right now I'm really feeling the trend of just kind of tying it around and letting my hair do what it does. Okay, I got the other side tips. I can do this, girl. We do this every day. Clearly, except for today, my hair is not for it. Ain't feeling the tuckish. But yeah, this is just kind of what I do. Cool, simple, natural. It's my first time wearing my hair like that. Like, I'm still deciding how I completely feel about it. So this is just my little situation at work. And then because I don't have hair, I'm really weird about my ears. So I'll pull it down to cover it because I don't feel like putting earrings on. And I'm gonna give this a swirl so you guys can see what this is. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that my journey will help you out if you're interested in starting this journey. I'm very new myself. I am very fresh. Typically on my channel I only do makeup videos, but because I've never done my hair, I decided to try something new on the channel. So if you are interested in the beat downs, I have beat downs per day. You can always find your Kryssy.K beat down. You can look to the right or the left if you want to get one of those. If you're not subscribed already and you want to keep up with my hair journey and you also want to keep a good beat, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know what you think about this hair journey. Let me know if you want to see more of this. Also, because I'm completely new to this journey, I know I'm type 4. I'm assuming I'm like B, C. If anybody wants to clarify for me the high porosity, the low porosity, I just don't have a clue. But let me know. Until then, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Mwah.